Hey friends, you're on the channel. Today I'll show you what to do if incoming and outgoing calls aren't working on your Android phone. For this, you'll need to go into settings. First, the basics like restarting your phone. Yeah, I'm not even going to mention that. If that doesn't help, go to settings and type reset in the search. There, and tap reset settings. Here, tap reset settings. And here there's mobile network reset, mobile network settings. This is what you'll need. And do a mobile network reset. If that doesn't help, then we need to find the phone app itself. So type phone and go into the permissions for your phone app. Here's phone, yeah. And here, give it all the permissions so the app works correctly. You can also go into the app and find it here. So go to all apps and look for our phone. I tap on search and type phone. Yeah, here's the app. Also here, give it all permissions. Here, permissions. Even if not, see here, I don't have location allowed. Tap it and tap allow. There, allow everything that's needed this way. If that doesn't help, the only thing left is to reset this app. To do this, press the force stop button and then press it again to turn it back on. You can also go to app details, yeah, and check if there are any updates. I have a phone update here, for example, there. And we update it, that's all. This was everyone. See you later.